Alright, you may have noticed while I was running the other engines this morning, this box was sitting to the side. I got that in the mail yesterday, so I thought I would unbox it this morning and show everybody what it is and play with it a little bit. So, anybody who's been watching along, the ETX and the ET1 I got from SterlingKit.com, and they shipped really fast to the US from China. Then they were not selling the ET6 and the ET7, so I had ordered those from BangGood, and then this engine also appeared on BangGood first, and I don't know if Sterling Kit ever got the ET6 and the ET7. They also are selling this engine on Sterling Kit. The advantage to Sterling Kit is they do much faster shipping to the US for a little less money than BangGood does, but they don't always have everything, all these engines right away. And this is upside down, even though I opened it with the shipping label on top. But, as you can see, it is the little twin cylinder, well, single cylinder twin piston engine that has recently appeared. Generic instructions. The EM1. It's smaller than the other engines I have, obviously. Clearly, it's got very good custom packaging and has arrived in good shape here. Let's see. The instructions are the same as all of the EA Sheen engines, the ET series, EM series that I've gotten. They did change the picture on the top. How are we in frame here? Alright, well, you know. There. Readjust and point the camera better. So, this engine has two pistons connected to these rockers that then have connecting rods to the cylinder, or to the crankshaft up above here. And it's got two fans on the air cooling fins there, but the two pistons share the same cylinder. So this is just a really, I think, adorable little engine, and I liked it because it's a very unique design that's not very common. It only needs one spark plug there. I'm trying to think. In the US, The engine I'm most aware of that had the shared piston or shared cylinder for two pistons is a submarine and train engine diesel that was manufactured by Fairbanks Morse for World War II. But that engine had two sets of crankshafts, so it was two separate engines, and they just shared the cylinders between the pistons. So this should be really cool. I am gonna put some batteries in it here. Takes 3 batteries. It uses the same ignition as the other engines. If I flip the switch, this is the push rod connection down to the exhaust valve underneath there. And I'm going to just hold that down. And I can hear it sparking, so let's get some fuel in it. And they do have this starter key, but I'm going to try to flip start it by hand because I did not bring my drill out to the garage this morning. I do like this filler cap. It's cooler than the ones on the ET series. It's got the little stylized knobs there. Need to dab a little oil on everything before we get too carried away here. Luckily, by the fans, I can tell which way this is supposed to turn. Alright, well, I'm going to go get my electric drill and spin this faster with the spinner that came with it.